my name is Jalisa Jaikaran. I'm a makeup artist and I am so excited to walk you through this makeup look I created using the new Mary Kay limited edition Warm Hues eyeshadow palette. Let's get started. Now, I love how this palette can be used in so many different ways. You can dress it up or dress it down. The look I'm going to be showing you today is unique to me because I like to be able to fit into any situation. Now, when you're doing an eye look, the first thing I like to always do is make sure that the skin is prepped. So I'm going in with my Time-Wise Replenishing Serum C+E, and we're gonna work that into the skin. What I love most about this serum is that it's packed with vitamin E, vitamin C, has a bunch of age-defying and antioxidant ingredients. So you're going to find that your skin looks glowier, it looks brighter, and I love it. After your serum, of course, you want to go in with your moisturizer. I'm using the Time-Wise Age Minimized 3D Day Cream SPF 30. Now, when you are doing your eyeshadow, you want to make sure that you use an eyeshadow primer. This is going to help with the longevity of the shadow and also help it to blend better. Now, I always like to go with my middle finger for the application of this, and I'm going to tap just a tiny bit onto the center of my lid. So starting off, I'm going to take Sienna Sky and I'm going to work this into the crease of the eye. Now, what I love most about this palette is that there are matte, metallic, and frost shades, and that makes it so versatile for all skin tones. Now, if you have hooded eyes like me, you can bring it a little past the crease, but you want to make sure that you're working it into the crease and blending as you go. Next, I'm going in with Dream Big Brown, and I'm going to work that into the crease of the eye as well. So essentially what you're doing is melting both of those shades together. Now remember, with a darker shade, you want to use a lighter hand. So make sure that you're using a tiny bit of product and working your way up. Now I'm taking Peach Daydream and working it in the center of the lid. Now, a really cool tip when it comes to shimmer shadows is that you can take just the tips of your fingers and actually just tap the lid, and it gives it even more payoff. Next, going in with Bronze Horizon, we're going to apply this on the inner corner of the eye, working in towards the center. And what you can do is take that same eyeshadow blending brush that you've been using and sort of soften the two shades together. Now, I'm going to be using the eye smudger because I love how it fits into the corners of the eye, and we're taking Golden Possibilities and we're going to pop this into the inner corner of the eye. And this is just going to help open up the eyes even more. What I love to do is create a mirroring effect when it comes to highlighting the brow bone. Now, I like to keep it very simple, and most of the time I try to not add too much color or any color there at all. But what I like to do is find a color that is very similar to the crease color, so the matte shade that we use in the beginning, and the closest thing would be the Peach Daydream. And essentially what we're doing is lightly applying it right where that crease color hits, and it's almost like it's lightly kissing the brow bone. The effect that you get is this gorgeous shimmer on the lid that extends towards the brow bone. So what we're going to do is actually create a smoky effect as liner. So I'm going in with your gel liner. After you've put that gel liner and you've smudged it out a bit, what you're going to do is take a bit of that brown shadow, the Dream Big Brown, and we're going to lightly apply it over the liner. So before we finish the eyes, we're going to go in with the matte 3D foundation. And now this is humidity and sweat resistant, and it also has 12-hour wear, and I absolutely love that it is fragrance free and oil free. Then you can go in with your concealer wherever you need it. So to set what we just did, I'm going in with the Silky Setting Powder. This is going to help even skin tone and help to blur minor imperfections. So to mirror what we have going on the eyes, I'm going in with the Chroma Fusion blushes in Hot Coral and Golden Copper. But what we're going to do is actually go back in with that Dream Big Brown and your eye smudger brush, and what you're going to do is just glide the product on the lower lash line just to give it that smoky effect. Now we're not done there because there is one shade in this palette that we actually have not used, and that is Purple Vibes. And I'm actually going to take Purple Vibes and we're going to layer it on top of that brown that we just applied on the lower lash line. To finish the eyes, we're going in with Panorama Mascara. I absolutely love this because you get panoramic lashes. There is vitamin E in this, so I rest in the comfort that I know my lashes are being hydrated and kept healthy while I'm wearing this mascara. Now I'm looking down first and I'm getting the brush as close as possible to the lash line, and I'm getting the product from root to tip, and then I'm going to push the lashes up. Of course, you can curl your lashes as well. To finish off this look, I'm going in with Tawny Nude Unlimited Gloss, and the reason why I chose this is because I want the eyes to remain the star of the look. And of course, if you want to give the lips some definition, you can go in with a tiny bit of lip liner. And don't forget, you can create your very own makeup look and enter the Mary Kay Uniquely You Makeover Contest between August 16th and September 30th for a chance to win some amazing prizes. You can go to marykay.com/uniquelyhue contest to learn more on how you can win big. Good luck!